Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Reva University and whitehatjunior.com.
Viewers, as I always say, the truth has one wonderful habit. Bury it as deep as you want to, but it has an inextricable quality. It has a wonderful and resilient spirit. It keeps popping back. So there are people who thought the Sunanda Pushkar case was finished. They thought Republic was not going to investigate it. And they thought if Republic is not investigating anyway, we manage the rest of the media. Well, you're wrong. It has been 2,425 days since Sunanda Pushkar was found dead. I personally believe she was murdered. And on the Republic Network, we have broadcast investigative reports that have exposed the hidden story. But tonight, the biggest proof of the cover-up, proof that is going to yank the case open, proof that the Delhi police tried to bury, proof that will now change the course of the entire investigation. Viewers, I bring to you today a cover-up of 4 years that they hope, you know who I'm referring to, viewers, that person thought that this will derail the investigation, but no. The nation must know this truth, and then we debate.
17 January 2014. Sunanda Pushkar died under mysterious circumstances in New Delhi. She was found dead in room number 345 at Delhi's Leela Palace. It's been 2,425 days since she died and the truth has been hidden. On the 8th of May 2017, Republic TV exposed the Sunanda tapes. We told you there was a cover-up. Tonight, we have more proof.
The Delhi police has earlier been pulled up by the Delhi Sessions Court for serious lapses in the mysterious death of Sunanda Pushkar. In 2014, AIIMS conducted post-mortem on Sunanda. In 2016, the investigating officer VKPS Yadav wrote to the AIIMS board asking for help in solving certain queries. In 2016, 18th Feb, the AIIMS board wrote back asking for a formal meeting. It's been 4 years. No one from the Delhi police got back in touch with the AIIMS board.
Look at this letter. Written on the 22nd of June 2016 by the Forensic Department head of AIIMS. Dr. Sudhir Gupta wrote to the Delhi police about the queries and explanations they sought. The report was prepared. It was the final report that was never picked up in the last 4 years.
Shattering the suicide theory in the Sunanda Pushkar death case, top AIIMS sources have told us homicide has not been ruled out. There is a report to this effect. The larger question, if homicide has not been ruled out, what stops the Delhi police from investigating the same?
As Republic reopens the case tonight, we have 4 questions. Why was the 2016 report not picked up by the Delhi police? Does the Delhi police not want the investigation to continue? Why is the 2016 final Sunanda report still not picked up? Does this shocking go-slow in the case expose a cover-up? It's time to reopen the Sunanda case. Let's debate.
I'd like to start by asking T.R. Kakkar. The report is there. The report is in AIIMS. The report of how Sunanda died is in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences Forensic Department, Department of Forensic Science and Toxicology. There is a report. It is a 100-page report, Mr. Kakkar. 100-page report. And it tells you how she died, whether it was suicide or homicide. Now there is a court proceeding in the matter. Court proceedings have to be based upon all available evidence. The most critical evidence, Mr. Kakkar, is the evidence I am talking about, which is the final subsequent report of the Department of Forensic Medicine of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Without that, there can be no investigation. Now, where is that report? Is it with the court? No. Why is it not with the court? Because the Delhi police did not pick it up. Why did the Delhi police not pick it up? I don't know. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences has written to Delhi police, Baba, the report is with us, please pick it up. There it is on your screen, signed Mr. Kakkar. I read today, viewers. The police did not reply or communicate to the medical board in any manner so as to take the final opinion on the inquiries dated 22/01/2016. Viewers, the Delhi police has refused to pick up the report. M.R. Venkatesh, are you understanding? The report is there in a cupboard in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The Delhi police, the AIIMS is constantly writing to the Delhi police, please pick up the report, please pick up the report, please pick up the report. The Delhi police all it needs to do is send one office boy to AIIMS to pick up the report and bring it in and then present it before the court. I would like to tell the courts, dear courts, you are being misled in the case. You are being misled. And now, Mr. Kakkar, let me tell you the most explosive part. This report says that murder cannot be ruled out. Do you understand what a cover-up this is? The report is there right now. The court proceedings should immediately be stopped, Ishkaran, because these court proceedings are based on false opinion being presented. The Delhi police has not taken the most critical report and presented it before the court. Now, if the court gets to know that there is a report in which it said murder can't be ruled out, then how can you have a suicide case? Mr. Kakkar, am I wrong? How can you have a suicide case? Then it's a murder case. Then it has to be a murder investigation.
I am not privy to this report at all.
Yes.
But I understand at that time when Mr. Gupta submitted his report, the report did not say that it is suicide. And he was even after being pressurized, Mr. Gupta maintained his stand that he cannot rule out homicide. Now, after this, a lot of work was done right up to London and America.
No.
Listen to me. Now you are not listening to me, so what is it?
Sir, what I'm saying to you. Okay, you are listening to you and then I'll tell you. Viewers, I'm basically saying today that there is a report in AIIMS which has to be given to the court. The Delhi police has covered this up and some people are very happy. The whole case must be stopped. The investigation must be stopped. The investigation must be stopped. There has to be a fresh investigation.
Mr. Arnab, you put a question, please listen.
Viewers, please, we need support in this matter,
and
viewers.
Reaching at a conclusion, we collect all sorts of evidence.
So why was this evidence not taken?
Arnab, no, this is charge. Arnab,
No. 1 minute. Sir. Mr. Kakkar, I need to intervene. One second. Ishkaran, this is becoming very big. One second. Ishkaran, this is becoming very big. Here's the question. Here's the question. No. One second. Sir, you tell me. You have to integrate the police officers here. They have to be pulled. 1 second. Mr. Kakkar. Okay. You want to debate this with me, Mr. Kakkar? Then listen to me. Listen to me,
Mr. The
Mr.
question is, what sort of evidence?
What charge sheet? When you haven't seen the evidence, how can you file a charge? The charge sheet is also wrong. The investigation is of murder. If the report is saying murder can't be ruled out, then the investigation can't be of suicide. What are you saying?
Arnab,
Ishkaran.
Arnab, can I just make two small points? Firstly, the viewers need to know there was already a vigilance inquiry ordered on Delhi police in this case. by Delhi Police Commissioner himself. That was the number of lapses in investigation in this case. So let us not forget that. And now specifically to this report, how can you have a charge sheet filed in a court without entire medical evidence being a part of that charge sheet? How can you have argument on charges? How can you have a charge sheet without entire record of what the forensic head of AIIMS did? Please let me finish. Please let me finish.
One second. 1 minute. Just Ishkaran.
Arnab, this is extraordinary.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
This is extraordinary. You
Viewers,
are having a charge
the
sheet
police did not even
without
pick up the
entire
report from
medical
AIIMS, and we
report.
are being told it's suicide. The report says that it could be murder.
By the court,
Mr. Kakkar, tell me one thing.
That is why it
Mr.
is
Kakkar, 1 minute. Just a minute. Mr. Kakkar, I want to say one thing. I will give you 100 rupees. M.R. Venkatesh. You give the 100 rupees. You give the 100 rupees. Just a minute. You give the 100 rupees to the DCP of the South District of Police Station, House Cars in Delhi. And tell him Arnab Goswami gave you 100 rupees. He'll ask you why. You tell him, because that is the maximum cost of an auto ride from House Cars to AIIMS. Go to AIIMS, take the report, stop lying to the people of India and misleading the court. Viewers, the courts are being misled. Viewers, I request the courts to immediately take note of what I have put before them. And I want to also tell you, people want to stop me from reporting. Interestingly, I'm not taking any names. There is one particular man who freaked out when he saw that I am reporting in this matter. Sushant Singh Rajput matter. The guilty conscience of that man is knocking on the courts right now. Can I get an injunction on Arnab in this case? Why do people behave like this? I've not even named them. Rhythm. I have never seen a case like this where the subsequent report has not been picked up for 4 years, viewers. And if that is the level of the cover-up, Rhythm, in the Sunanda Pushkar case, if that is the level of the cover-up, then I place this before the people of this country. MR wants to come in. Rhythm wants to come in. Rhythm, over to you. Rhythm and MR. The debate is open, viewers. We need your support. If you supported me in Sushant Singh Rajput case, support me in this case as well. Yes, please.
what is the subject matter you go to discuss?
Emma, we've spoken about this earlier, and I've remembered what Ishkaran said, because in 2017 we've been in the Delhi High Court. In 2016 January, when IO VKPS Yadav, whom we've spoken to several times in the case, when he himself goes to the AIIMS board, and remember Arnab, AIIMS board conducts a post-mortem. In that post-mortem in 2014 on Sunanda, they say there are 12 injury marks, there is poison in her body. How is the charge sheet completely ignoring this fact? Now the AIIMS board, listening to the investigating officer VKPS Yadav, says let's have a meeting. The letter that has been accessed by Republic TV shows that 18th Feb letter of the AIIMS board is completely disregarded by IO VKPS Yadav, who completely chooses for 4 years to sit on that. Now top AIIMS sources say that there is a report that says this is a homicide shattering the suicide theory.
Yes.
That has been put forward by the Delhi police. It is time the Delhi police, that is being pulled up several times in the Delhi Sessions Court for investigation lapses, whether it is questioning why the laptop was given to someone, whether it is questioning why the mobile phones were seized and given to someone, or questioning why the charge sheet at that time is filed without looking at this. The point
I'm
of
not
the
even
matter
going
is
into
the
it.
Delhi
Rhythm,
police
let's
is
keep it
moving
very
up on
simple.
news orders.
Rhythm, let's keep it very simple. 1 minute. Rhythm, let's keep it very simple. No, MR also needs to come in. Rhythm, let's keep it very simple. My point is, viewers, when a court looks at a case, the court looks at the evidence that is there. The evidence is in a cupboard at AIIMS. AIIMS is repeatedly telling the Delhi police, please take the evidence. Delhi police for 4 years has not taken the evidence, which means that the Delhi police is worried about something in the evidence will impact some person.
Sorry,
why is the Delhi police
Mr.
not
Arnab.
picking up an AIIMS report?
Sorry, Mr. Arnab, I don't agree.
This is most unprofessional, I want to also tell you, we contacted the Delhi Police Commissioner today. Let me share this. The Delhi Police Commissioner was flabbergasted.
Have you seen the Visra report? Have you told
Flabbergasted.
what is the Visra report?
Listen,
The Visra
who is
report-
this person? Raj Kamal. Do you think that you know better than the AIMS forensic
Yes,
panel?
yes, Arnab.
Do you know better than the AIMS forensic panel? The AIMS forensic
Yes, I
panel
know
has
it
said.
better, Arnab,
No. You know
and
better than the
I will
AIMS
tell you,
forensic
have you
panel.
seen the
Do you know
Visra
what is in the
report?
report?
Does it say?
Do you
Does
know
it
what
say,
is in the
Arnab?
report?
Does it say
You are
that
a
there was
lawyer.
poison?
You are telling me that the court should not know the law. Okay, debate.
It's an inquest. It's an inquest. Arnab, do you
Now
know
see, the
what is
same
an
language of
inquest
Sushant
report?
Singh Rajput is being used.
This can't supersede a Visra report.
Viewers, we need your support in reopening these cases. Viewers, we need your support in reopening these cases. You must raise your voice.
Coffee present.
Arnab,
Does the
it is
Visra
a-
report
Arnab,
say? Does the
very
Visra
basic
report
thing.
say that there was
Let me just
poison?
Give 10 seconds, Arnab.
The
Arnab,
AIMS
10
report
seconds.
was not picked up for 4 years. The courts are being misled.
Yes.
The courts are being misled.
Please.
There was deliberate
Arnab, it's a-
inaction.
There was a medical
Arnab, it's-
board formed. What did they appoint?
Arnab, it is
Arnab, there was a
going to
medical
be
board
many
that was
debates on this
constituted.
issue.
What did the
Let the
medical board
public-
say?
let the public-
The medical report,
said
1 second.
that
The
there
medical
is no
board's
suicide,
final
there is no
panel has not
homicide.
been picked up. Raj, do you understand what you are
Yes.
talking about? The medical board's final
Yes,
report
but what is
has
the
not
report?
been
Report
picked
is
up.
that there is
This
no
has been, the
homicide.
medical
There
board's
is no
final report has
suicide.
not been picked
It
up. What
can't
is the
be a
court
roving
looking at?
inquiry.
The court is
There
being
has to
denied
be a
evidence.
grave
The
suspicion.
court should
Arnab,
take
Goswami,
care
there
and there
has
should be
to
cases
there
lodged
has
against the
to
Delhi
be
police. We will pick it up.
There should be a grave suspicion.
There is.
This is a fit case.
What is there?
Arnab, there has to be a grave suspicion in the
This case is going to be opened up, viewers.
Has to be picked
Where
up.
is the grave suspicion?
This case is going to be opened up,
You're relying
viewers.
upon
It has
a
to be
one-page
considered
report of
and placed before the
AIMS.
court.
Ishkaran.
Arnab, let us come to very basic things. They are trying to muddle the issue. AIMS, which was the body doing the forensic, they have a final report. That report has to be picked up. That report has to be considered. That report has to be made a part of the charge sheet. इतनी simple बात है इसके अंदर. Why was the final report not picked up and not made a part of the charge sheet?
Because
That's a very
I'll
simple
tell you
thing.
why. Because MR Venkatesh, if the
That's a
final
very
report
simple
says,
thing.
1 minute, because Raj, if the final report says, as it does, as my sources tell me, as the final report says, as my sources tell me, that murder is a possibility, then the police would have to do a murder investigation, not a suicide investigation.
Exactly, Arnab.
So what do? You don't even pick up the report. Viewers, we are being fooled every day by cases like this. Viewers, we need your help. Please raise your voice. Sunanda Truth is the hashtag, viewers. Please tell them there is deliberate inaction out here. I want to tell you, viewers, MR, once again, I have signed a stamped document by Dr. Sudhir Gupta of the All India Institute of Medical Science of 22nd June 2016 with regard to the post-mortem and what is called in medical terms subsequent opinions. That indicates the Delhi police was supposed to reach out to AIMS, but the Delhi police did not pick up the report. It's like my telling you, viewers, once again, it's like my telling you, suppose there is a report in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. 1 minute. Mr. Kakkar, you think you are too smart, you police officers are too smart. Let me tell you, it's like,
smart.
I'm telling.
Place facts
But
before
Mr. Kakkar, you got to pick up a report. What are you justifying? A report is not picked up.
I am not justifying.
Why was the report not
Where is the
picked up?
question of smartness,
There was
Mr.
something
Kakkar?
inconvenient in the report.
Mr. Kakkar, there is no smartness in not picking up a report. That is the
They
caliber
didn't
of
pick
our
up a report. They
police.
fooled us all.
Please
They fooled us all.
understand. And for which we pay
And they will not be allowed to fool us all anymore.
We pay our taxes only for police.
We are reopening the case, viewers.
It is evident.
All the suspects will be called again. It's going to be a murder investigation.
Arnab, the most important thing is inadvertently or advertently, I had used the words that Sushant Singh Rajput murder mirrors the Sunanda
Pushkar murder, yes.
Yeah, I had used it in your channel.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Inadvertent.
Yes, you did.
But look at it, within weeks you come with the report and the Delhi police was sitting tight, not providing this evidence. Mr. Kakkar, leave everything else. Tell me honestly, should the Delhi police not have picked up the report, added the whole investigation on the lines mentioned in the report and submitted the charge sheet?
You didn't pick up the report and we won't ask you questions.
Yes, is it not a deliberate act? No, Mr. Kakkar, today you are in the box. Mr. Kakkar, today you are in the box. Answer for the police.
Yes, you are, sir.
Sir, please answer this. Whether the police demonstrated enough police professionalism in
Yes, sir.
sitting tight on this report. That is the question, sir.
Look. When the police investigates the case, The police needs certain evidences.
But you're not picking up the evidence. What do you say the evidence? The evidence is there, you're not picking it up. The evidence is sitting in AIMS. What are you talking about? The evidence is in a particular third floor of AIMS. I can tell you the cupboard it is in. What are you talking about? The report is there, you're not picking it up. You are not picking it up. You are not picking it up. The evidence is there. Why would you not want the evidence? Why would you not want the evidence? Why would you not want the evidence?
May or may not help. It may or may not help.
I want to rebut M.R. Venkatesh and others. Arnab,
is
what this means is
report evidence or not? That's a simple question. Please ask.
Rajshekhar.
yes, say for M.R. Venkatesh, every next accident or an incident or anything, he immediately concludes it's a murder. Okay.
I'm sorry, this is not a personal view. A report has not been picked up.
No,
A report has not been picked up. I repeat, viewers, a report has not been picked up. Let me tell you, today there's an investigation. No, don't make it personal between you and MR. I'm not interested in personal fights. What I'm saying is there is a report. It's there in AIMS. The report says it's homicide. You are not taking that report. You are not looking at that report. You are doing an investigation and a court process. The entire investigation and the court process, therefore, is mired in the possibility that the substantial facts of the case are not brought before it. Why? Why?
If you want to reopen all the cases, reopen justice.
Yes, we'll reopen the case if there's injustice. Of course, this is going to be reopened.
Sir, it has to be reopened. It will be reopened.
It has to be reopened. It will be reopened. I challenge you, it will be reopened.
Kiran is on the job to
You do that.
Don't worry about it.
As a campaign. You call all the panelists.
Professor Dinesh Rao is on the program. He's a forensic expert from Bengaluru. I want to ask you now, Professor Dinesh Rao, 1 minute. Professor Dinesh Rao, as a forensic expert, this is what is written. Let me read out to you. And these are doctors, they know what they are saying. They are saying the postmortem was conducted. Following subsequent opinions were duly given. The police sought further queries, the explanations of which involved intricacies of medical science and cannot be understood without the interaction between the SIT and the doctors. And for the same, the medical board felt that a common meeting of all the members of the SIT with the medical board may be held for better clarity and understanding of the current questions and any further questions arising out of them, to lead the legal investigation in the interest of truth and justice of the case. And the same was communicated to the SIT through a letter. The police did not respond or communicate to the medical board in any manner as to take their final opinion on their queries dated 22nd/1/2016. So the court, the police is being told, and the Commissioner of Police is being told that we wanted a meeting where we can tell you what the issue was. Because we believe, and this is what my sources tell me, that it could be murder. Now the AIMS is constantly telling the police, please come for a meeting. This is the material. This is 100 pages. There are annexures. There is literature to back it up, and the police is not interested. And quietly, they carry out a normal suicide inquiry. Because they don't want to meet, they don't want to talk, they don't want the expert opinion. Because if an expert, a doctor will be bound by his profession not to lie. So if he thinks Sunanda could have been murdered, the door was open, there were injury marks, there was poison in the body, he cannot lie. So what you do is you say, listen, miloi mat inko, opinion loi mat, don't go there. I mean, what is going on here? Don't even take let's just carry on with whatever investigative, quickly close up the case and let's manage it. Professor Dinesh Rao, this is how I read it. How do you read it?
Arnab, you have done an excellent work by bringing out this case and, of course, the contents of the report also. But one thing, in my experience, I've never ever come across an unprofessional act of a police officer of this nature. No, you are then, that is, no, you're not speaking like a forensic expert. You are here like, I love the police. What kind of answer is that? You're a forensic expert. What are you saying? Till now, I have never seen the police can do no wrong. No, I am seeking your opinion as an expert. I am not asking you to tell me whether you forever believe the police. Give me a reply. Because the experts, after examining the body and also examining the documents pertaining to the investigation, has clearly pointed out that there is a meeting required from the investigating officer with the investigation.
So why has it not
officer
happened?
failed to do so.
So why has it not happened?
That clearly exposes the gaps in the criminal justice system. At the same time, the intentions of the investigation officer also is very obvious.
Correct.
To conceal the actual motive. of
Then
the-
why did you say I have full faith in the police? You feel, Ishkaran, I think Dr. Swami has been picking up the case as well, others have. I think this case now needs to be opened up.
Act of the police officer.
This case needs to be reopened properly.
Yes,
The final opinion has to be taken.
Act of the police officer. Because
Arnab, how can, Arnab, there are 2-3 things which have to be done in this case.
What does the Viceroy?
You are not taking the final opinion of the doctors and you are trying to do an investigation. It's remarkable.
Come to a conclusion, Arnab.
Does it say
How
that
does
there is
an
Alpha
investigation come to a conclusion without the final opinion of the doctor? How does
Rhythm, how will the courts view this? Viewers, Rhythm, aren't the courts being misled also?
In fact, Arnab,
How will the courts view this now?
in fact, we also, Ishkaran has. Arnab, the courts need to understand that a vigilance report was also filed in the case. In fact, a vigilance report was something that was taken when the first people who were investigating the case, the first police officers, took 8 months. 8 months to even hand over the bedsheet at that time to the AIMS authorities. Even despite that, AIMS authorities came out with not only the post-mortem, they were ready to satisfy the Delhi police, the investigating officers, on any doubts they had. They made forward all the queries they came forward with in 2016. In 2016, once again, the VKPS said, let's have some talks. They said,
And Rhythm, the person we are speaking about here, let us maintain, Mr. Kakkar, some professional respect. The person we are speaking about here, Mr. Kakkar, and MR and Ishkaran, you are all there, is Sudhir Gupta. You know, they made all kinds of charges against him. They put pressure on him. They wanted to remove him. There was so much political pressure in this case. And you exactly know what happened. All the frivolous charges made against Dr. Sudhir Gupta were completely dismissed as false and motivated by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the Medical Council of India. He was found to be a man of unimpeachable integrity in the last 26 years of his services to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. My question here is that now that we know that, why would this man's opinion not be taken, Ishkaran? Because this man's opinion might indicate murder. That's why you don't even want to look at it.
Yes, Arnab, everybody knows what all pressures were put on Dr. Sudhir Gupta, how he was sought to be removed as head of Department of Forensic in AIMS. That is all a part of record. And he stood firm. And unfortunate part is, even after he stood firm, if you have not taken his report on record, as Republic Channel is showing, that is a shocking thing. That's a shocking expose. How do you come to a conclusion without consulting the doctor, without taking on record his final report? That is something which will have serious implications in court.
Absolutely. Now this debate is trending globally, nationally, which means there is a considerable amount of interest, MR Venkatesh, in this matter. Raj, Kamal, there is considerable interest. This case will have to be opened up. Last word, MR.
It has to be opened up, but it can't be a roving inquiry. It can't be a roving inquiry. It can't be a roving inquiry. There is a medical board constituted. Please look into the Visra report. What does the Visra report say? The Visra report says that there was alcohol there. The Visra report says that there was paracetamol.
I am ready to share this evidence with the CBI. This case should go to the Central Bureau of Investigation. And I'm even willing to share this evidence with the Delhi police. They need to, then this investigation will be brought on track.
For murder?